That's my car back there. I drove an hour and 47 minutes to see if we could get to this waterfall, and after taking a trail, this dirt road turned into something very interesting. Check it out. So I don't think I'm gonna be able to go through with my car around here, because I'm sure I'm gonna get stopped right there. It was nice trying though. Pretty cool. This is when I find the end of the trail. My car cannot go through. Park my car there. I'm gonna take a picture this way. I'll show you in a minute. Gonna set up right there. Look that way. Sun is behind me. Should be good. Alright, let's set up. Creo que un par salieron bien. Vamos a ver qué tal quedan. Un riachuelo ahí, no es la cascada que quería ver, pero no tengo 4x4 desafortunadamente. Vi varios carros pasar, todos 4x4, así que vamos para la segunda cascada. Alright, waterfall number 2. Let's see if we can make it. The first one, as you can see, was blocked by a river. My car definitely, I was not gonna push it. I'm like 2 hours away from home, so definitely not gonna risk the trouble of having a tow truck coming all the way here. So let's try waterfall number 2. This one is called Minnehaha Falls. There it is. All right. Should be an easy hike. There are a bunch of kids coming back, I hope, from here, so we'll see. Talk to you in a minute. So we've arrived. It's very beautiful. I'm actually pleased. There's a couple of people here. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if they can go behind the scene. Well, check it out. Right behind me, Minnehaha Falls. Check out the name below. I'm gonna sit up and try to take a few shots. This is the top of the waterfall. Some people camping up here. That's the bottom, right over there. That's where I'm going, towards here. This is pretty precarious. Barely see the trail. Hope I don't slide. I got my feet wet, they're cold. Heading back, there were a lot of people there after I left, like a lot, and I showed up around 2:30. So yeah, time to come here in the morning or right before dawn. There's a lot of people with a camera there, so I'm sure they're taking pictures with the sun hitting it at the sunset. I think I got a couple of good shots there. We'll see. Let me know, what do you think? comment below if you like the shots or not. I'm learning, so keep that in mind. Anyways, let's find the car, get back home. 2 hours on the way back, maybe 3, I don't know. But this is very pretty out here. Definitely we're coming up to camp. Alright, trails ending. This was Minnehaha Falls in Lake Mount, Georgia. 2.5 hours from Atlanta, if you ever want to explore. So this is the parking situation. Basically park on the street, and this was the end of the trail. I'm parked way over there around the street because I couldn't find parking here. So come in early. That was it. Minnehaha Falls in Lake Mount, Georgia. Let's go find the car. Lake views are pretty impressive.